Boom. Okay, so I recently got my channel monetized, so I thought I'd show you guys how much YouTube has paid in that first 28 days. So let's just get straight into it. Okay, so here's my channel, nothing special, Aussie fragrance, 6,000 subscribers, 900 videos. Now let's check it out. Okay, had a little video go mini viral, I guess. So 4.2 million views, watch time was up, 3,000 subscribers up, and in that first 28 days, the most recent 28 days, $890. So I'll tell you about that little short. It's just a random short. So since it started, 4.6 million. It took a while to take off. It has gained me 3.6 subscribers, and that's it. So that's 2 months worth really. So it only really took off here, $700. So all you really need to do is just keep playing, just try and get that little viral video. Because it's all it takes, just consistency, and you're gonna get one take off. Pretty happy with that, but it'll probably die off soon. 4-point-something million video views on that short. I'm happy with that. Just keep cracking, get another one. Anyway, thanks for watching.